John's been building wheels all day. We can go sneak in and say hi. John be jammin'. Hashtag thug life. Nothing, I just wanted to catch you dancing. What's up, guys? Happy Land Run Week. Hope y'all are ready if you're headed up to Stillwater, Oklahoma. Today is Wednesday. It's pretty gloomy. It's been raining all day. But I get to be bike wash ferry today. We're headed out tomorrow for Stillwater and I'm gonna get the bikes ready. I wanted to give you guys a little preview of our bike setups and equipment, nutrition, all that fun stuff, you know. But first, I'm gonna be a good wife and deliver John his stroopwafel because he's been a wheel building machine today. Like he's waiting for it already. It's like, where's my stroopwafel? I have something for you.
Yay!
Thank you. I know, you're turning green like the Hulk. I could feel it, man. Yep. This is the Cantu studio before a big weekend events. We've kind of outgrown our studio, so I mean.
New building coming.
Don't mind the mess right now. Okay, the bikes are washed. We're gonna start off with John's bike setup here. He has the Orbea Terra sporting the Cantu Rebel gravel wheels. Let's take a closer look. Schwabe G1 all around tires. These are 38s. For his gearing setup, he's got a 42 tooth up front and 11/28 cassette in the back. Alright, next up we have my setup for the Land Run. This is my tried and true setup. I'll be riding my Specialized Crux with the Cantu Rebel wheels, Maxxis Ramblers 38C tires, and gearing I have a 38 tooth up front, 11/28 cassette in the rear. This setup has gotten me through long hard days on the bike, such as Dirty Kansas, the Epic 150, Gravel Worlds. So this is my go-to, guys. I'm so losing daylight right now. Alright, we're gonna have to take it inside for equipment, bags, nutrition, goodies, all that fun stuff. Yeah, let's go inside and bug John. Alright, I got to steal this guy for a second. How you doing? How you feeling?
Exhausted already.
How many wheels did you build today?
Working on the 7th one.
You got this, man! You got this!
The time is almost here to leave.
We're gonna wrap up with equipment. We're gonna have our saddle bags. I'm gonna have a top 2 bag also.
Me too.
And maybe I'll have my Camelback. I'm not sure. I know I'm gonna carry 2 bottles, but not sure on the Camelback. What about you?
Probably not on a Camelback.
So you're gonna carry 3 bottles?
You'll have 3 big bottles.
And you have a top 2 bag?
Top 2 bag.
Alright.
And then a big bag, like that.
And then a big saddle bag. So in our saddle bags, we have 2 tubes. Wait, 2 more cartridges, 2 extra cartridges. Multi-tool, Imaginaire multi-tool. This
Hand
I will.
pump.
This is an awesome hand pump. Shh. Thank you, Gary Rogers from Race Ready Repair. This is my favorite hand pump, man. This is made by Bursman. What you got? Oh,
I've
you
got
want to show
mine.
off your hand pump too?
I've got my hand pump.
That's, yeah, you should probably...
It has actually been used.
Okay. Oh.
Quick and easy.
I think I used it. Where does that go? I borrowed Gary's for like several months until he's like...
I gotta have it back.
Yeah. Until like, he's like, I need my hand pump back. I was like, oh, sorry, Gary. What did I like?
She wasn't sorry.
Next up is nutrition. I like to have a balance of slow burning carbs and quick burning carbs. My go-to for slow burning carbs and just like high calorie stuff is Lara bars. I like the citrus flavors because they're just a little more moist. If you get into the peanut butter ones, they're just dry and hard to get down, so these are the flavors I like. I like Clip Blocks for quick burning energy, for like quick energy, and then SIS isotonic gels. These you don't have to take with water, but I do sometimes every now and then. And then hydration, Veet, man.
In our bottle.
Just like really light, really good. They're local out of Houston, so shout out to you guys, Jeremy and Amber.
I'm going Shot Blocks. Orange.
Clip Blocks.
Oh.
Shot Blocks are the gels.
Oh. Clip Blocks. I am going SIS gels. And then I decided to go away from Clip Bars this time. And do the, what are they? The Oreo
Bonk breakers.
Bonk Breakers. Worth a shot.
What did you not like about Clip Bars?
They're just, you have to drink a bottle with every bar that you eat.
You know, that's what people say about Lara bars too. One last thing is our navigation.
Wahoo!
We just got, come on, focus now. Alright, so we are using the Wahoo Element for our navigation, and we've had it for 2.5 months now.
Yeah.
Really enjoy this. I used to have the Garmin 520, and that actually, I had no big problems with it. Garmin gets a little glitchy sometimes, but the Wahoo Element, great battery life, great maps, and this is great for gravel because you can actually zoom out on the map really easy, and just the ease of the buttons right here. I don't know, they made a great product.
See, I think actually we rode 65 miles of the day.
Yes.
And I rode it on 8% battery.
What are your goals for a land run?
Land run?
What are your, yeah.
1, finish. 2, top 20.
Oh.
Lofty goal.
All right. My goal is to have my computer charged, to know where I'm going.
Small victories.
Yes. I don't know. I don't have any performance goals. This is just a really good, hard training ride for me, so I'm just gonna push it and see where that takes me. So, and have fun. Have fun. Are you excited to see all of our gravel friends?
Yeah.
Over the moon. Alright, that's it, guys. If you are going to land run, make sure to stop by our vendor tent Friday for the expo, and Saturday too. We are in front of the OSU Museum of Art.
Come see us.
I got it right. Alright.
Peace.
Bye, guys.
Look like two monkeys trying to hump a rock.
You look really good. You look really handsome.
Stop procrastinating.